Hello. It is that time of the year again when I talk to you guys about the upgrade for this year to my setup. So before I get into the setup upgrade, don't forget to like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store. Go get some great merch. So like last year, I'm gonna try and build something. Last year I built this. Think it did okay, not my best work, but it didn't need to be. Honestly, I might take down the LED strips. I haven't decided. This year, and it's mostly just out of necessity that I need to do this, I'm replacing the desk. The desk A is just too small for everything I want to do, and also B, it's some of the rails are starting to come off. I apparently put too much weight on it, on one of my rails where I rest my leg. I've been looking at options, and I decided I'm gonna build my own, because of course I am. So first we'll talk about the option in tabletop. I chose the Soljan from IKEA. It's affordable, it's cheap, it's affordable. It actually doesn't look too bad, even though in the end I might not be keeping this exact color. I might be changing it just because of another choice I did here. To keep these things up, along with legs, I'm gonna also use this nice little cube storage desk. Just because A, I liked the design, and also I think this could actually look really cool if I do this right. But there's a problem. This is like a gray, kind of greenish stain looking thing. This is a laminate. I can't restain this. So the option is to redo the coating or choose something different. All the other options are extremely expensive compared to this, and I'd like to kind of keep it close to the same price. So I'm probably just gonna repaint this. If you guys have any better options, just leave a comment down below because I would love to see those. But for now, we're gonna go with this main idea. So using MS Paint, which has become my best friend. Need to make sure. Nope. And that's more or less how it's gonna look. So this is the basic setup that I have for my desk. Now, these are about 43 inches, which takes up quite a bit of this because this is gonna be about 74 inches. So we're gonna say right here is about half. Let's just say it's about here. That would probably get most of that. This is gonna be 48 inches. So really, we're not gonna have a lot of room here, which is fine for me. That's one less thing I have to really stabilize. Now, I do need to put legs between these, so I'm just probably gonna stick them right there to keep it together. And maybe, depending on how weight kind of goes, I think I'll probably do it anyways just to be safe, is put another one somewhere in this general area. So 3 legs, 2 desks, and 2 stands is perfect, at least in my opinion. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I'm doing a lot. I need more room. So this is all gonna be just separated out by what I'm doing. So for instance here, test bench. That is a horrible P. That's better. This is probably where the good God, I'm looking. It's like I'm in 2nd grade. It's probably where my computer is going to be, just in the corner, just to make things simple. It looks so dumb. Next, right here is probably where the soldering station is going to be. And then right here, I'm gonna have D&D. That way, I'm utilizing the entirety of the desk, and quite honestly, it has everything I need to do between school, between YouTube, and just my general interests in life currently. But this is about where I kind of need some help, because while I think this is a pretty good idea, you also, and I think I mentioned it already, I have a problem. The desks that I'm going to use for stands and the actual countertop are entirely two different colors. Probably going to have to paint them. So if there's anybody that maybe has a better idea than just me painting these, that'd be awesome. Otherwise, I'm just going to paint them, and that'll be that. Well, everybody, I hope this video was at least informative on some level on the amount of things that are going on in the background of some of my YouTube videos, because let's just face it, you don't always get to see how I do some of these. The reason I'm doing this is because this time I think it's a little more fun if we talk about the upgrade that I'm about to do, and maybe see if you guys can give me an even better idea. Or just make it more toxic. I'm always okay with that. Everybody, hope you guys enjoyed this video. How about if you guys enjoyed this video, let's go check out the video I actually did building the little cubby thing behind me here. I think it was actually kind of fun, and quite honestly, it'll probably give you guys some laughs. So, thank you guys again for tuning in, and have a good day.